Today we're going to show you how to put a new SIM card into your phone. Let's get started. Open your SIM card kit to find your SIM card ejector tool, SIM card adapter, and your SIM card with 3 adjustable sizes. Make sure to have these handy as you will need them to get started. Find where the SIM card tray is on your phone. If you have an iPhone, the SIM card tray is on the side. For Android phones, the SIM card tray can be on the top, bottom, or edges. Other Android phones may have removable backplates that come off, where the SIM card is located near the edge of the battery area. Once you've found the SIM tray, you're going to need to pop it out. It's best to use the SIM card ejector tool that came with your SIM card kit. If you don't have the tool, you can always use a small paperclip or the back of an earring. Insert the SIM card ejector tool into the small hole in the SIM card holder. Once it's popped open, gently remove the SIM card tray from the phone and remove the old SIM card. Now grab your new Q-Link SIM card and punch out the same size SIM card as the one you just removed. Put the SIM card in the tray and insert it back into the phone until it snaps into place. If you have a removable backplate phone, there will be an image next to the SIM card slot telling you which way to insert your SIM card. Don't worry if you punch out the wrong size SIM card. Your SIM card kit includes a SIM adapter kit that will allow you to convert your SIM card to fit any mobile device. Once your SIM card is inserted, restart your device. Complete your activation by calling the Q-Link activation number 305-260-6232. And that's it, your phone is ready to go.